Hello my people, this is your person Freedom Temple CYK Biafra as usual. You know me, even by my appearance you can tell who this person is. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates so that anytime I post a video, you will be notified. So my people, in this my channel, I want to make it official to everyone, to each and every one of us. Because as God may have it, I am an Igbo man precisely. A typical Igbo man from origin. Speak different languages. I will not mention it, but I can speak different languages. Likewise, you watching me, you can as well speak different languages. So, but in this my channel, the language particularly that I will be using is Igbo, Asosum, Keji Malonde, English, and the Pidgin English broken. These three languages is the language I will be using on this channel. So, depending on the topic and the people I want to talk to, if I want to talk to my people, I will talk to them in the language they will understand. So, this is why I'm saying this. I'm making it official to everyone. So that you, the person, maybe when I use Igbo, my language, you will be offended because you don't hear Igbo. Don't be much offended. I've apologized before. Don't be offended when you see me using a language which you cannot understand. Please pardon my manners. Depending on what I come across or my information that I want to pass across to you. So in this one now, in this topic now that I want to throw out to you now, I am not happy. Every time is not to pet things. We don't have to keep on waiting, as in keep on waiting. Like me now, I'm not in Nigeria, there in that zoo country. Not because I'm not there, that's why I'm talking. I'm not happy because I'm not there. Why? When I have a country. You, Oga landlord, travel and see. You that you are there thinking that we are all is bread of roses for us. No, we are not happy. It's not that we are enjoying nothing. You know, you think maybe they are enjoying. No, it's just because the way they make their country to be, as in is okay. As in, okay, look at light. This is the midnight, but see light. You cannot, if I show you outside, you can hardly identify that this is night. Only you see the darkness is around. Let me not go too far because it's history. You listening to me think maybe I'm just talking blah blah blah, and to me I think I'm talking blah blah because it's not necessary, it's not needed. So what I'm trying to ship in now is that my people, Ndi Igbo, let me first of all greet you people. Igbo kwenu, Igbo kwenu, Igbo kwezuenu, nke onye chi nyaze. My people, I greet you. You that cannot speak Igbo. You that cannot speak Igbo, I greet you. How was your day today? And how is your day today? Depending on wherever you are and your time, whatever your time says. Accept it. Accept my greetings. My topic today goes to my people, my Igbo brothers and sisters. My people, Omunnem. Nekwano ka Chineji o. Umunne nekwano ka Chineji o. Chinafe eji na-eji na-achọ ka ojinarị anyị. See the day is getting done. In fact, let me make this message general to even you who call yourself a Nigerian. I will throw up a video for you because in this our world we don't lie and we don't just talk anyhow because we have time to talk. No, we don't even have time to talk. As for me, from work to video, so for you to say that I don't have time, But I'm just doing this because I love to do it, because I like to speak. I like to speak because most times I will be boiling in pains before I discover that I can actually be saying my opinion. For some people who think that their ears are there for them to hear, if they would hear. My people, you that say you are one Nigeria, see night is fast approaching. They are trying to Islamize Nigeria, that Zoo country. But you people are not saying anything. You think Islamization is just Muslims. Another thing is coming. Another thing is coming.
They responded. They got to the fire scene. And unfortunately, the first one that got to that point developed a mechanical fault. What we call power takeoff, PTO, failed when it was working. So that was where the problem started. Then while I was mobilizing those of Onitsha which are closer to that place, I only sent those ones in Oka. They moved down to Onitsha. Getting to Onitsha, because the first one, which was already on ground working, had a mechanical problem immediately. They were not able to allow other fire trucks that came to go and fight the fire. That was where the whole problem started. And that of Delta came. They didn't allow them. They just drove in. They didn't allow them to come in. They only turned immediately and went back to Nasala. There's this GUO fire truck that came, a private fire truck. It was destroyed that place. That was what happened. And because they were chasing the whole firefighters and the fire trucks, the fire truck and the driver managed to escape the scene. And we were not able to go back there. But one, we didn't go with any security. Nobody was guiding the firemen. So they drove away and left the scene. And they could not go back because of the number of people and the crowd which were there.
What happened to the one station at Main Market?
The one station at Main Market, that same, yes.
Abiam Camford, Njilaya, where free fair ben ya. I got a big of Fusia, Kaus, Lupi Fairman. Or to turn the Mado. If I was local, my Afifadele, Ofado Hulamu, if each Abia. You know, if we go swim, Namuta, the probably it fell, break, and tumbled into this place. It's a big truck, and the fuel ran a long distance up to Achanga through this drainage, you know, and affected many shops. You know, so I'm very, very, very saddened by this incident, and I sympathize with everybody that would have lost his way or shop or lost life in this incident. I came here with the members of the Anambra State House of Assembly and my ESCO because of the sympathy that we have of this incident. I've already set up a panel that is headed by the Deputy Governor. The technical committee of this panel will visit this place and ascertain the number of shops and the people that lost their wares here. We go shop by shop and put down their names. What do we want to do with those names? We will be able to see how we can compensate them for their losses. You know, I encourage everybody to be your brother's keeper in this kind of moment and time. You know, do not take advantage of the challenges that we have now to begin to rob or do other things that you shouldn't do. Please, yesterday I was also informed that while the fire was raging, many other things happened that shouldn't have. Please, be law abiding. Very sorry for what happened. We are going to ensure that the people affected are compensated. Please be law abiding. And when the technical committee comes down here tomorrow to begin the assessment, please cooperate with them. We will not tolerate, despite the incident, any form of harassment of the government officials that will be coming down to do this work. If you cooperate with them, this will be very easy, and we'll be able to give people compensation before Christmas. Please cooperate with the people that will come down. This panel will look into why the fire services were prevented from doing their work, and also we're going to revamp the fire service arrangement around this area one more time and see what else we can do. We have set aside some funds, which I will mention now, to be able to support this crisis. I want you to believe in your government. We are working hard to ensure that we have a free Christmas. You know, this will not dampen our spirit. You know, this will not dampen our spirit. This will not dampen our spirit. And if anybody tests our will to use this opportunity to begin to rob around here, we are going to deal with that fellow very decisively. So I encourage all of you to please take heart, just like we are doing. Myself, the House members, the ESCO, the Anambra are very, very saddened by this. That's why we left all we are doing. I would have been in Abuja by today, but I left that to come here first and to see for myself and also to be able to speak to you directly so that you know that your governor is really working to help you.
Obiano, Your Excellency, Governor Willie Obiano. I thought you said you install 9 CCTV camera or whatever you call it to anywhere around the Anambra, vicinity of Anambra, that they can trace or monitor, or even without cable or blah blah blah, that it will capturize everything. What is happening in Anambra State just few days after launching that nonsense that you launched? What is happening? Eh? Tanker, as you claim on your speech, that the tanker had an accident and the blah blah blah, he fell onto the drainage, he float onto the drainage, caught fire by the drainage, blah blah blah, the people got burned, shop got damages, the goose got damages, blah blah blah. I call it blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Okay, when you even that when the incident was taking place, some people were doing, people that are not law-abiding citizens were doing something else. That person who told you that time, which means you were present. You people should listen to somebody when he's talking. You heard. So you sent some delegates to stay there and watch the damages, which is you are aware of the damages. The damages the all no. That is why you couldn't provide fire service for your people. You couldn't provide fire service for your people for their rescue. You couldn't come for their rescue because you believe that after these damages or whatever benefit that you're going to benefit, I don't know, you will come out there and talk that blah 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 that you talk. Hi. Ndị Igbo kedu ndị obi akpa nọzi ọ bụ na ya enwezi mmadụ enwere ike iwere okwute makachi anya ebe ọ nọ because unu ri nne tie ndị obi ife ame unu obi akpawara unu o butere unu mmiri nke ọ na-ebute unu ncha ka unu jiri mmiri unu wee na-emix na awụ onti ife unu emebicha ma ndị ọkụ gbachacha agbalili ka ọ na-abịa asụ unu na-asụrụ unu June 12. Onye elikwa nne ya, onye akwefe onye asara asa nne ya, onye eli enyi ya kwa lie enya kaji kwa jijamini eli nọrọ jijamini eli na eli enyi ya kaji Ndi Igbo ka ibinikene. Ka ibinikene our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ma dike Biafra. Odogwu dike gburugburu. Okwucha n'ihe ni no ye ekwu. Onye cha na imuru anyị no ye nya gini ka anyị na-echezi. Na bụ na nworo ndị obi gbawari n'ife Ameri sef. O jiri pụta dị na akọ June 12. O butere service fire service nke ọ na-enye unu ụmụ. Unu eje a na-agwụ na mmiri adịrọ nke ncha na-adị. Ọ pụta ebe a na-akọju ọ ka ọ bịa nyere unu 500 ka 200 ife ọ na-asị na ede shop afọ a na-abịa ịbịa de ụjọ so gbalala mba ka unu yali idebekwa arụ na gịnwa nwee ka ngwane gị onye negotiate na ya kwụ ndụ mmadụ 500,000 gịnwa kpọsa na ngwaahịa gị n'ime shop gị maybe n'azụ building na gbakwa ọkụ inwekwa parking store maybe worth to maybe 10 million naira or 100 million naira, 50 million naira, 20 million naira. Or they can will be another negative 200,000 or 500,000 raw cash. Na compensation. Na how many million damage ligi. Unu ba say honorable governor. Oya binya million. Sorry for you. One day asking ndo. Sorry for you people. Nwanne binieno la okifo ula time abuko oge jalalola because now monitor ni ife na emenu ne also dey calculative okifo nwanne enye nwe uche ka agwo unu ga na ada is kai dey calculative can how one say calculate ndadi kwa mino ndadi wicked and evil if ni when are the wicked and evil I was in na calculate. Watch, we are supposed to be calculative. He said he's going to come for compensation. Why, when the damages was going on, you were not there because you were waiting. After the damages, you come and compensate them. Why are you going to compensate them? You're talking rubbish. Look at the one of Ebonyi State. Which one are we going to talk of? Look at the one of Ebonyi State. Look at the people he brought to Ebonyi State. Are you bringing them for development or for what? Wicked and evil people. Look at the Governor Umahi. Okezie. Umahi of Ebonyi State. I'm talking about Okezie. Governor Okezie of Aba. Look at Aba. People of Aba are suffering. No roads, nothing. Nothing is functioning. No water, no. My people, the one now that they learn now is what? To be burning your shops, to be burning your buildings, in case you store anything inside, ammunitions or the goods that have entered already. They want to be burning it now to destroy everything. These people, they are mean for Igbos. Now they have said that they will bring toll gates down to the eastern part. We kept quiet. What is that? What is the meaning of that toll gate? In case if because they know that we are preparing. Now they want to bring their people to come and stay with us in Igbo land. Why? Because informant, for them to be giving them informations. They closed our means of transportation. Enugu Airport, they closed it down. Different areas. Why? We Igbos, we are wise. So, we don't have to stay like people who are not wise. We need to think. And they think fast. They close airport because in case, if we are planning to bring anything, so that it will not enter everybody. They know that it was saboteurs are everywhere. In the first time, somebody betrayed us now. If Arjuna know, now you people know now. If Arjuna betrayed us in the first time now, so is it now? If Arjuna still have a lineage, do you think if Arjuna don't have? He has lineage because somebody gave birth to him. And he gave birth to somebody, and somebody who gave birth to him still gave birth to others. Or as in before they gave birth to Ifajuna, they have others from his origin. So the saboteurs it has been in their blood. They are not being wiped out. They are still existing saboteurs. So let's not think that Ifeanyi is only the betrayer. No. Now they are using all these leaders to betray you and I, and we keep quiet. We are watching. We cannot face them first. Face them first so that they will know that we are not happy. Because the more you keep quiet saying Buhari, one Nigeria, no. Your enemy is the one in your household. Your enemy is the one of that one that is living with you, sleeping with you. You put food on the table, two of you put together. That is your main enemy, and that one can destroy you faster and the quicker. So don't just think that your enemy is the one in the north. No, that one that is with you, that is your main original enemy. We need to stop. As I am now, I'm not happy. My heart is boiling. I don't want to take much of your data. I've taken much time. I still have more to say. If you will give me some of your time. We need to wake up. This time, we need to wake up. We need to do what? Wake up. And the time is what? Now. The time is what? Now. Nkonyechi, Naze. I thank you to every one of you. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Stay cool. I'm still your person. Freedom Temple, CYK Biafra. Keme Channel. Have a lovely day ahead. Ciao. Bye.